It's alright. I didn't do anything today, but what I will do is I'm gonna make back all my money. Hopefully. Okay. Yeah, I got another brutal stop out here. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, genuinely. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, man. Bro, was that Henry again? Or was that from the last stream? Maybe that's from this one. Was it? No. That was from the last one. Whoops. Alright, I gotta post it. It's so hot, so I'm switching out my colors. Okay, back. Dude, I'm sorry, it's like actually so hot. It's like 80 degrees in the house. I'm sweating. But it looks like, yep. It looks like we're still bearish on the day. So, yeah, everything is just dropping. Yeah. So what I'm looking for here, since everything is so bearish, I'm looking for a sweep of this, sweep of that, and then on the 1 minute I want a retracement. So I want it to come back up, possibly hit something like this. Though this might have been that right there, this liquidity sweep. But honestly, I don't want to base that off of something like this close to each other. I don't know. So basically, I'm looking for a move down, which we already got, then a move up, say I think like a liquidity sweep, then right here, probably something down in there, and just like that. So I do want to sweep right here. And then actually this could be that, because we got a break of structure right here. Where is it? Yeah, right here. That's like really hard to see though, but I don't know. And it kind of like is in tune with all this chop right here. And what it would make a head and shoulders. Probably something like that. Bro, I remember like I've been day trading for 2.5 years. And I wasted like a year and a half to 2 years learning support and resistance and just wasting everything. Look, it doesn't work at all. If you use support and resistance and you make money, just, I don't even know how you do it, but congrats. Look. Okay. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but every single one of these videos, I was either talking about how much I lost or what I didn't trade. And I was so inconsistent with it. That went on for almost 3 months. Almost 3 months I've been posting every single day. I mean, I still kind of do that, but not for that. Not for those challenge things. 3 months, almost 90 days, I was posting and consistently losing. I'm not losing consistently as much, but I'm definitely still losing. But I don't know. At the start of this summer, I was honestly cooking. I was winning like every other day. So I got to get back in tune with that. But no, I'm in my experience. Support and resistance doesn't work in any sort of way. So I don't know how people do it, but they do, I guess. Should I move it right here? Oh yeah, cause I got the time right there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So my camera's like down here, and you can't see the paper trading thing. So dudes don't know it is paper trading. And then I think I can also cover up the entire screen. I can, look at that. Okay, wait, what was it? Okay. Oh my gosh. That might have been the liquidity sweep, actually. I don't want to sit here and base an entire trade on it, especially saying everything has been red. How many days in a row? 1, 2, okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days in a row I've been losing, including today. 10 days in a row. Today has to be the day where I'm... Oh, wait, no, whoa. Okay, wait, that's the 25th. So we got 7, 14, 21. 21 days I've been consistently losing. I made 1,300 one day, then I never saw that again. I think I was up like 13. No. Whoa. I think I was up like 11,000 or something. And then now here I am. I'm down at like 9,500. Yeah, not even. So this has to be the trade that turns it around. Because, bro, honestly, after losing for so long and literally nobody has believed in me, bro. Like, the people in the room right across from me, people in the room right here, people in the room way over here, my mom's room, my dad, my grandpa, and like none of them really believe in me. None of them have that like faith that I can do anything. None of my friends do either. It's literally just me. And I'm sitting here losing for 2.5 years, bro. Like I need to get it together, honestly. I mean, there's really nothing else to that. Bro. Am I even still? Yeah. Bro, who is this one viewer? Is that like me? Oh. Hold up, I gotta make sure this is still going. Is this still going? Check, check. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, it's gonna keep playing. Okay. There we go. Break of structure. So yeah, honestly, I do think that this is that move that I was waiting for. So right here, I have this. This. So yeah, this could be that like liquidity sweep, but a 1 minute liquidity sweep is like, that's not very effective. That could be it right here. I might just not have that as a confluence and liquidity sweep, because I think I have everything else. Yeah, it's within equilibrium. I guess I didn't need that. Have an order block, have a fair value gap, have everything. And I'm not gonna go crazy with this trade. The market looks like it just wants to keep going down. So I'm gonna let it just have some space. Yeah, this it's a pretty similar setup to earlier this morning, back when I lost. I had a really small liquidity sweep right here. Didn't really have much of a good confluence here. But I got my bias right. I got the bias correct, and what else? Yeah, so we got that liquidity sweep. I'm just kind of waiting. Honestly, the dojis don't really have much meaning now that they're in Asia. I mean, they're not really doing too much here. I don't want to base a whole bunch of money on a doji candle, but yeah, we got a liquidity sweep type of thing going on here. I don't even know if I know that correctly. I might need to like go and like relearn that. Pretty big bearish candle. Hold on, my friend, he showed me a trade that he took. He lost. I probably am too, so I'm not even gonna like give him a hard time on that or anything. Especially since I've been losing the last 21 days. Tomorrow is gonna be 22 days if I don't win. But Asia sessions, usually more chill, so I'm not really arguing with that. I'm not complaining, I should say. I'm not complaining with that. Whatever. I really don't even have this like as my confluence. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Put this right here. So not the cleanest, but oh, whoops. No. There you go. I'm making everything perfect. So this is my take profit right here. Stop loss. Realistically, probably gonna get entered somewhere along this area. Might could have stop loss right there, but I think just to be comfortable, I'll put it right up here. Now I don't mind taking a 1 to 5. I really don't. Honestly, as long as I just get a solid trade in, I'm not really complaining. I don't know. It's really struggling to like buy though. We did have a big candle move, but yeah, it looks like from the past it should tap in about right here. But we'll see. Oh my gosh. It needs to go back up. Honestly, this might could be like a buy off this fair value gap right here, or off this order block. I'm not going to, but that would be a decent one. Okay, so if I was to enter off that, I probably would have entered off this doji. Probably would have had a nice healthy stop loss. Maybe not that healthy. Targeting up here, since that's where that fair value gap starts. So I would have had a pretty decent entry if I was to enter. But where is it? This right here. Probably would trade the order block. There we go. There we go. So I essentially would have, excuse me, I would have been break even right now if I was to enter. I'm not entering. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty close to stop loss. Yep, I would have been stopped. Good thing I didn't take that trade. But I mean, now I'm just kind of, waiting for right now. I guess I got this sweep right here. I don't know if I want to trade off that. But I might could. I don't know if buying right now is a good idea though. So I got the liquidity sweep. Yeah, no, if so, I'm gonna have a huge stop loss. What else? Bounce off this 3-minute, looks like. Yeah, honestly, I'm just, I honestly might put that right here at this fair value gap right here. It's 5-minute. Hold on, I need to put it perfectly. There we go. There we go. It's perfect. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Okay. So we got the sweep. I'm waiting for, what is it? This, and enter right there. Now this one I don't mind trading off a doji, but I'd rather not. Oh my gosh. My back is killing me. So this could just be like a no trade day kind of thing, or no trade session, I should say, because I already lost once. So I got here probably more of like right there, but it's continuously going down. So I don't know, we should get that pullback pretty soon. Yeah, but I'm gonna be off in 30 minutes if nothing shows up. Honestly, probably something like 15 minutes. But if nothing really shows up, there's no setup, I'm just gonna get off, because I usually get off 9:45, maybe 9:40. Not that anybody's watching this or anything. I don't know if buying is like such a good idea here. Actually, that sweep could be used for momentum. Probably something like that. Yeah, I don't know. There's not much to trade off of. I think tomorrow's bias might just be bearish as well. But yeah, since this kind of swept out this low right here, it could just be, what is it? Having a much higher time frame bounce. Oh, it could have inversed it actually. Could have inversed this right here. So what price could want to do is do this, inverse that gap, come back and hit this liquidity right here. Maybe. I could definitely be wrong. I probably am wrong. Dang, bro, we need a pullback. Ooh, I should have entered. Ooh, wait. Hold on. Need to change this. Asia session. Trading. Yep. There it is. Yeah, it looks like the market just wants to keep going down. It could want to sweep this out actually. I wouldn't be opposed to that. Dude, it looked like it said 3 on my phone. It said 3 people. Alright, can I even like hear this? I think, hold on. This thing's moving so you can hear my audio. I can't hear myself though. I'll play that for when I want to listen to music. Dude, it's getting that pullback is like right before the liquidity sweep. That's annoying. That's actually annoying. Dude, it says I have 3 viewers on my phone. 3 views. Okay, great. How many people does it show now? 2. So there's somebody else here, maybe. What is this clip? Trim my clip? Nothing about me is being trimmed, bro. Except my fizz. Super trim. Alright, so this is not really doing anything. Hold on. There we go. Let's do some back testing. Prove I'm actually profitable. PPI. Don't want to trade PPI. Don't want to trade all that. That's all the news. Yeah, it's terrible. Okay. 30. So market open. Okay. There we go. Liquidity sweep right here. Maybe we have the continuing. Yep. This right here. Got our bias. Bullish. That's bullish. This pretty bullish. Although I might want to sell. Yeah, this is in a downtrend. It might actually want to sell. Same for this. So I'll put this right here, right at this, what is it, 1 hour? So 1 hour for value gap, this might take profit. There we go. Then 30 minute. 30 minutes in an uptrend. I don't know, it could just want to like continuously go down. Same for the 15 minute, 5 minute. This 3 minute. 3 minute hasn't broken structure yet. 1 minute inverse. So you get this inverse right here. A whole bunch of fair value gaps right here. You also have a 1 minute order block. What else? This right here, 3 minute fair value gap. Honestly, I might not even like trade all the way down here. Although I might could to get some crazy risk to reward. And then again, this is like the ultimate form of paper trading, so I don't know if I want to. Yeah, it looks like it's, yeah. 3 minute. Okay. That, I believe, is an entry right there. Especially with 1 second left, yeah. So it looks like, I'm gonna make this nice and healthy. So we're going for some decent risk to reward. There we go. So pretty fairly risky. 4.4 maybe. Yep. Yeah, I think that's entry enough, honestly. This is a bad trade. I should never take this one. Stop on this. 6, 5, no, 2. And then take profit. Whatever. Whoa. Does it not let me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, whoa, whoa. I have to set a take profit. So if it gets near this, I'm just gonna close out. It looks like it's rejecting. No, it doesn't. Dude, I need to quit trading off these fucking dojis, bro. I'm actually mad. I need to quit being so emotional. That's like a bad thing about me. If I lose a trade, I'm getting emotional. Okay. Got this. Okay, market opened. Right here, did it? Yeah. So we're at all-time highs. Fair value. No, order block, sorry. Order block. Okay, here. Yeah, we're at all-time highs. 4 hour. Looks like it wants to, keep going up. Same for this. Same for this. Same for this pair. Yep, it all just wants to keep going up. Honestly, I don't know how to trade this. I guess that's a liquidity sweep. Dude, no, I'm not doing this on the 3-minute time frame. Are you serious? No. Yeah, I would have gotten stopped. If I was to enter any type of trade there, I would have been stopped. Yeah, so it looks like it wants to just keep going up. So market open, like right here. Tap back into here. Would it have given me a good entry? Yeah, it would have right there. So what is it? I could have just hit a, what is it? I have that under there, under here. Honestly, I might have done it a little bit lower. So basically like a 1 to 3. I could have just hit a 1 to 3, but I didn't. This pair, it's not really doing too much. So I think it's best if I just don't trade it. Okay. Now for this, yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna skip forward past one more day. If there's no setups, I'm probably just gonna get off. Yeah, this looks like it's doing nothing. I'm not trading this. Ooh, this Asia session would have been nice. I wish I would have caught that. Damn, I could have. Oh my gosh. This 852. This. Okay, we're at market open. Already got a liquidity sweep. We're at higher highs. Oops. Oh, I think I know what to do. Oh my gosh, this is clean. This is the example of a picture perfect trade. We're at all-time highs. I already know everything's bullish. Boom, Boom. Boom. Bullish. 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 Everything looks like it wants to keep going up. Bullish. 5 minute. That's bullish. 3. Is it? No, 3 minutes not bullish. Oh wow, it's pretty choppy. So yeah, this is that order block. Actually, I don't even want to put that down. 3 minute order block. 5 minute? No. Other than that, not too much entry on it. Oh my gosh, I just accidentally skipped an hour. Dude, what is this? Almost a whole percentage. Almost a whole percent in a single minute. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't really want to do too much else. That's gonna keep going up. Prediction. It's gonna go up. Prediction. No, it did not. Yeah, this is just really ugly. So I'm really not even gonna bother. I'm not gonna sit here and stress about this. It's pretty ugly, so yeah. Dude, I just wish I could have made that money back. But this is, I'm one step, oh my gosh. I'm one step closer because I didn't lose. As long as I'm not losing, that's good. Dude, I'm still at 1 viewer. Alright, that's it for today. That jump was so corny, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude. Did I actually? No. I'll see y'all tomorrow for New York session.